Have you ever wondered what Ash Wednesday truly means for your life? Today, Pope Leo XIV shares a message that calls every Catholic to reflection, repentance, and spiritual renewal. Ash Wednesday is not just a ritual of ashes on the forehead. It is the beginning of a sacred journey that leads to a transformed heart and deeper faith. The Pope reminds us that Lent is a season to step away from distractions, to examine our lives, and to draw closer to Jesus Christ. It is a time to embrace prayer, fasting, and acts of charity, not as empty rituals, but as steps that shape our souls. Pope Leo XIV warns against going through Lent without purpose, urging Catholics to truly listen to God's call. This is the season to forgive those who have hurt us, to help those in need, and to reflect sincerely on our own actions and intentions. Through small acts of love and humility, we align ourselves with God's will and prepare for the joy of the resurrection. Ash Wednesday is a reminder that life is temporary and our actions have eternal meaning. The ashes on our foreheads symbolize mortality, but also the hope of renewal and mercy through God. Through prayer, fasting, and charity, we grow spiritually and become closer to the divine presence that guides us. As Pope Leo XIV emphasizes, let this Ash Wednesday be more than a ceremony. Let it be a moment that awakens your heart, revives your faith, and inspires you to live each day with purpose. Let this Lent be a true journey of transformation, where every sacrifice, prayer, and act of love brings you nearer to God. Share this message with friends and family so that more hearts may be touched. And remember, Ash Wednesday is not the end, but the beautiful beginning of 40 days that can change your life forever.